Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is bow number 99 from Miss O. The pattern pieces are quite simple. You have the center, the top, the loop, and then two spike pieces. I have pre-cut all of my pieces to make this so much easier. The supplies you are going to need are also very simple. You're going to need the template that I just showed you, your materials to cut out of. You're going to need scissors. You are going to need a glue gun. And for this one, you are going to need thread, because we are going to be cinching up this portion right here. You can use hot glue to do it. I just find that there is a stronger hold with thread. So that is how I do it. But if you feel like you can use hot glue in place of it, please do so. The thread I recommend is Coats & Clark upholstery. This is the only thread that I use. Alright, and the clip you are going to need is going to be a 3-inch clip. As I said, all of my pieces are pre-cut. This is an Encanto bow. This was requested by my very, very adorable little 2-year-old niece, Gwenny. She loves everything Encanto and Bluey, so we made some stuff for her. Now what I did was I folded over the pieces to find the center, and I gave it a noticeable crease, but it's not going to be like a hugely permanent one. But it enables you to find the center so that this piece is creased properly. And you're going to do just a basic accordion fold. And holding this together, just wrap the thread around a couple of times. And while not letting your spool of thread roll off of the table, you are going to tie this off. It's a lot easier to do when you're not filming it, but we'll work with it. I would put at least 3 knots just so that you know 100% this thing is held firmly, because you do not want this coming apart. This is going to be the topper to your bow. So it's important that it is held firmly and keeps its shape. Alright, we'll get the thread out of there. That is the topper portion right there. So much easier to put together when you're not filming with a camera in between you and your workspace. So much easier. But that part is done, and we'll put it off to the side. Now we are going to attach the spikes to the clip. I am going to glue both spikes together, then attach the clip. Make sure when you lay your spikes out that they are indeed even. You do not want them to be crooked, because if they are crooked and you have glued them together, you're kind of stuck at this point. So push down and make sure everything attaches. And then you are going to attach your clip to the spikes that are now put together. You could opt for a 2.5-inch clip for this. I just find that it'll go too far in on the spikes. I prefer the 3-inch clip. and you're going to want to push down and make sure that clip is attached. Grab your center wrap and put that inside and hold down really quick, just to make sure everything attaches properly. This bow, when I saw it, I thought it was so different than everything I have made previously, and I was really excited to be able to get it and try it out for you guys. Okay, we're going to put together the loop now, not attach it. But as usual with faux leather and glitter canvas bows, it's tab to center. I really love this Encanto print too. I was lucky to find it on clearance. I got a whole roll of it because I loved it so much. And I knew that if I let it go, I was never going to be able to find it again. So that is why we got the roll. Of course, I will link all the supplies I can find links for down below for you. I'm not 100% sure where I got this one, but I will try to find a link for something similar for you. Okay, we're going to attach that to the top. You're going to hold down and make sure that everything attaches properly. I usually go back and re-pinch the center because pushing down will have misshapen it. I guess that's the best way to say it. But go back through and that popped up. Well, that's just lovely. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. This time we are going to do our difficult adhesion method. Let me get that off because I don't quite know where my little tube of E6000 made itself hidden. Which is always a fun thing when you don't know where something is. And it's even better when you're filming. Alright, I found a tube. So let's put a little bit of hot glue there, and we're going to come back and put a dollop of E6000 as well. And we're going to drop that down. Just like that. You also want to make sure that these points line up with the points on the bottoms, the bottom spike. And we're going to fix this top bit after we get the center attached because it's not sticking down for whatever reason on its own. So wrap the center strip around, put a dollop of glue on the inside, close the clip, and trim off the excess. Now you're going to come back up here and you want to reshape this topper. Give a little pull on it. Stick your finger under and kind of puff that bit out. Just play around with it, make sure you get it exactly how you want it. right, and there you guys go. That is your Encanto bow number 99 bow from Miss O Designs. I will link the template down below, all of the materials I can find for you down below as well. I don't know how long this is going to be on clearance, so hopefully it is still on clearance by the time this video is posted. If you liked this video, please click the like button down below, somewhere around there. If you know somebody who might be interested in this or you want to share it to social media, please click the share button. If you are not subscribed to the channel already, please click the subscribe button that's somewhere around here. Right next to it is the bell button. Click that, click all, and you can set your notifications to all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions or comments or video suggestions, please leave those in the comment box down below. Make sure to check the description box for any pertinent links. Make sure to check our Instagram. We post previews to bows, so every Sunday night there will be a picture preview of the bow that will be having a tutorial the following day. Also, this is not sponsored. I just really like Miss O Designs templates. As you can see, I do a lot of hers. I went on a small shopping spree on Etsy. And I'm just trying to get through the templates so I can buy more. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it and have a great day. Bye.